I had to get this, y'all. Why are you fake laughing? Say hi to the camera. She said hi, camera. Say hi, camera. Say hi, family. Trying to give you a nap and you ain't cooperating. That's why I'm just like, forget it. Say A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, say I, J, 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 J. Come on, say it. Say J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, say V, W. Why you trying to take my purse, Kylie? W, X, Y, Z. Yay, Kylie! Oh, she hit the soap. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Okay. What else she gonna do? Excuse her hair, y'all. Her mama supposed to braid it. I'm gonna take it out while she sleep. That's why I brought her up here so I can moisturize it and comb it and all that good stuff. Take the rubber bands out and all that good stuff. Because if I try to do it while she's up, guess what? It would be an epic fail. An epic fail. Get. Why are you trying to get in my purse? What? Hey, purse? What? What the fuck? Mines. Mines. She's snatching it back. Really? This ain't your purse, it's mine. Get back. Mines. Right, it's not yours, it's mine. Let go. But you tear off my purse, Kylie. Girl. I'm gonna kick your butt. You can't get in there. You better not. No. 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 Look at me. Look. Look at the camera. Look. I see you. Thank you. Talking so good, baby. Oh. Yep. Say yep. Yeah. Say that's what's up. Yeah. Lay down. What you doing, Miss Kylie?
Yeah.
You messing with Grandma's purse? I love this little girl right here with all my... I love her whole life. I promise you I do. I love her. That. Tearing up my purse. You know it's a cheap old purse as it is. Stop it. Stop. Stop. Go, Kylie. It's your birthday. Go, Kylie. It's your birthday. Oh, Kylie. Go, 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 Kylie. Go, 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 Kylie. Go, Kylie. Go, 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 go. If she was on the floor, she'd be really getting crumpled. And she said, I'll be getting jiggy with it. She loved to dance. Go, Kylie. Go, Kylie. And she loved this song. I made it up for her. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. It's your birthday. Your birthday. Say it. Your birthday. It's your birthday. 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 He's saying day. Birthday. Yay. Clap your hands. Say bye. Tell them bye. Look.
Bye.
Say see you later. You know how to say it. You know how to say it. Say see you later. Anyways. We're about to go. I'm going to try to get her a nap so I can do her hair. And I do apologize again for not being on camera. But I am really, honestly, I'm not feeling good today. But, I mean, I'm not feeling, like, really super bad. Just not feeling good. My stomach is not really... Well, my stomach feels a little bit better. My stomach actually has been feeling better today than it has, you know, last couple days, weeks. So, I'm thankful for that. So, anyways, I'm going to give Miss Kylie here a nap. Try to get them naps out of her hair. And then we may come back with another video. Today is about Kylie. This is Kylie's day. Well, every day is her day. But, you know, today we're going to let her be in on camera. We're going to get her hair done. We're going to get you camera ready, baby. Yeah, we got to make you look like a little baby star. A little star. Huh. But that's all right. Say we chilling today, grandma. With my night clothes on. And my jammies, rather, whatever you want to call this. Look, she's sleepy. Yep. Say bye-bye. Thank you guys for watching. Please comment, rate, subscribe to my channel. Appreciate you guys for riding and, you know, ride or dies. Y'all are my ride or dies. And y'all be hanging in with me, my old subscribers as well as the new ones. I appreciate you guys a lot. Thank you all again. And we'll be seeing you guys later, I guess. All right. Thanks. Stay blessed. Stay positive. It's your girl, you know who. Bye.